Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about Amazon seller nightmare fixed with this pricing strategy. Let's get into it. If you're selling on Amazon, you've probably faced the frustrating challenge of setting the right price. Pricing isn't just about covering costs. It's the number one factor that determines whether your product sells or not. Many sellers struggle to get their products off the ground because they price too high at launch, assuming their product's value will justify it. But on Amazon, customers shop differently. Without enough reviews or a strong sales history, a high price can actually hurt your chances of success. One strategy that works consistently is launching with a lower, competitive price to build traction. If your competitors are selling at $20 and you price at $27 with only a handful of reviews, you'll likely struggle to convert. However, by starting at $18, even if it means a small loss, you remove the price hesitation that customers have when comparing products. This approach also helps you take advantage of Amazon's 200 plus sold badge, which can significantly increase conversions. Buyers tend to trust products that have sold in high volumes. And getting that milestone quickly can make a big difference in your sales performance. Once you hit this level, you can gradually increase your price in small steps, ensuring you maintain a strong conversion rate while maximizing profit. Another key element of this strategy is leveraging Amazon Vine to build social proof. Amazon Vine allows you to get early reviews from trusted reviewers, giving your product credibility before organic customer reviews start rolling in. This program is especially beneficial for non-consumable products, where customer feedback can help drive future sales. Additionally, combining this pricing strategy with targeted advertising campaigns can enhance results. By bidding on competitor keywords and running highly relevant sponsored products and sponsored display ads, you can capture additional traffic while keeping your pricing attractive. If your sales have been slow and you're struggling to compete, try this approach. Start with a competitive price, build momentum, and then raise your price strategically. Adjustments should always be data-driven. Monitor your conversion rates and sales velocity closely to determine the best timing for price increases. Success on Amazon isn't just about having the best product. It's about knowing how to position it correctly in the marketplace. With the right pricing strategy, you can overcome slow sales, build a strong customer base, and ultimately maximize long-term profitability. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.